Alright, we're about to continue our lesson on web designing. So before we start, this is where we ended. We created a login page, and then the same time we created our nav bar. So let's run it and see. So after running it, we will see our nav bar like this. You will see our nav bar like this. Now let's go to our input. Let's go to our input page and then run it. We will see our input page like this. And now we have our input here. The input, we have it here. Now we want to place the input middle. We want to place the input inside the middle so that we can control it. Either we want to move it left, we want to move it right, top and down. I'm going to show you, and after that we will link this login page to our nav bar. So before we start, let's go into our code. So this is our code. You can see that we have form here. This form contains this login box. The form contains this login box. So we are going to place this login box middle here. So now let's come to our code here. So this is what we are going to write. Just add in input. So type in input. After that, then select absolute. So you will select absolute. And then you type in top, and the top right 50%, then left right 50%, the same. After that, come down and then type in transform. You will see something like this. So choose this one, transform. So you will see something like this, and then type in translate. So this is translate. So choose translate. Then you will see something like this. Type in negative 50%. Then bring your comma. And then type another negative 50% again, like this. Now let's run it and see something. So after running it, you can see that now we have placed our login form in the middle page. We have placed our login form in the middle page. So we use this code. It is started from here. So this is the code. Position absolute, top 50%, left 50%. Then you come here, transform, translate, negative 50%. This code is very important. So try to know how to write this code, because we are going to use this code most of our work. We are going to use this code. So you have top 50, left 50, and then we have transform, translate, negative 50. So let's say you want to control the page. If you want to control the page, you are going to use this code. to control the page. So when you increase the 50, you will see that this form will come down. When you decrease this 50, it will go top. When you increase the left, you see that it will shift and come here. When you decrease it, it will shift and go down. So we use top to control our form, either top or down. And then we use left to control either left or right. So this is the code we are going to use. To position any form, either in the middle, right, left, or down. Now let's go and do the form edges. We want to do the form edges. We want to do it rounded. So come here and then type in border radius. Border radius. Now select 50 pixels. Select 50 pixels. Now let's run it. After running it, let's see. You can see that we have the edges being what? Rounded. The edges is being what? Rounded. Now let's go and decrease the number. Let's do it 30. Let's run it and see. After doing it 30, you will see something like this. Now we have placed our code in the what? Middle, our form. Now we are going to link this page to our nav bar. So how are we going to do it? So come here. Come to your code. So here we have bottom and we have sign up. We have bottom and then we have sign up. So here, give a space to your code and then type in A. This A stands for a link. So type in A like this, small a, not capital A, small a, and then select the first A. So you will see something like this. Now here, type in login again. So type in login. So you will see something like this. Now let's run it. So after running it, you will see that we have our login here, but the color is blue, so we don't see it clearly. So let's go and use CSS to edit it. So let's come here and then type A, small a like this. Now let's open our curly bracket and then type in color. So color, let's select white. Now let's run it. So after running it, you can see that we have login here. We have our login here. So the login is white here. Now let's come here. We want to place our login in the middle. So then type in margin left. Now let's type in 2%. Now let's run it and see. So after running it, you can see that it has been shaped small. Now let's type in 5. Let's type in 5%. Yes, now here it's okay. You can see that we have some line under the login. So let's remove the line. So just come here and just type in test declaration. So test declaration none. Now let's run it. So after running it, you see that we don't have any line here. Now we are about to link this code into our nav bar. So come here, come down. So this is the login code. So inside here, just write the nav bar. This is the nav bar. This is the nav bar. This one is the nav bar. This one, the nav bar. It depends how you created yours. So come here and then type in the name, nav bar. So this is the nav bar. Good. Now let's run our code. So we have linked it. So after clicking on login, you will see that it will take you to your nav bar. So you can go back again and then click on login. You will see that it will take you to your nav bar. So this is our nav bar. Now we want to create another box inside here. That's where we are going to use to enter the items we want to sell. So let's come to our nav bar and then choose what we are going to use. So just type in section. Now select this one. Then we have section like this. You want to place the box in the middle. So remember the code I told you. So come here. Now we have section. So type in section and then select your section. Now open your curly bracket. Now let's create our weight. So weight, let's do it 90%. Then height, let's do the height 40 VH. And then background, let's choose our background. Let's choose red and see. So let's choose red. After that, let's run this code and see. Let's run it and see. So after running it, you will see something like this. Now you want to place this box inside the middle. So let's come here and then type in position. I told you the code. So we have position absolute, then top, then 50%, and then left 50%. Now let's write transform, translate. Now write negative 50%, comma, negative 50% again. Now let's run our code. Have you seen? You can see that we have our box inside the middle. Now you want the box to move up small. Let the box go on top small. So let's decrease this one and do it 40. So after doing it 40, have you seen? Now this box is okay. Now let's increase our height. So this is our height. Now let's do it 60. So after doing 60, you will see something like this. Good. Now let's increase our top and see. Let's do it 45. So after doing it 45, this is what we will see. That is good. Now you can go back again. So let's run our code from here. Let's run our code from the login page. So this is our login page, and then click on login and it will take you to your nav bar. So inside this box, we are going to create a box and then insert the items that we want to use on our web designing. So thank you for today. We will continue tomorrow.